Welcome to day 27, and you are just about to complete your sixth play and that is day 30. So we all eagerly waiting to like overcoming that and transforming ourselves. And no, it's a long journey. Say just day one, day two, and it's like 27 days. So only 2 days left. So let's continue. So today we are going to discuss a very powerful things. Like we have already discussed all kind of things, how you can like overcome and even procrastination, how all the things work. You are getting trapped and you have to get out to the trap. So we are here discussing some life hacks means to increase your productivity so that there is a like firm foundation for your no farm challenge means by the means of any kind you are not just going to relapse means you are like protecting yourself like from each and everywhere means there is a no scope to relapse. So let us discuss one by one. So first one is context management. So context management is what we have already like known or like already have idea about the time management means the like you have to schedule your times, you have the boxed your time. But what is the thing there? You have like there is some a certain task or like if you are continuing the time, so that is okay, but you are just running after the time. So what I suggest, so you just focus on the task means ultimately you have to complete your task. Now whatever the time and context, so doesn't that is much affecting, but you have to complete the task. And there are so many things like where you have to time bound or as well like meeting and other things, but the thing is to task has to be completed and work has to be done. So context management is a part where the right time right thought, isn't it? Means whenever we are lacking the focus concentration or like we are just running behind the schedule or running behind the work because of the whenever we are doing something and just some random thoughts pop up in our mind, as we have to discuss like more than 20,000 thoughts occurring each and every day. So for any particular time whenever you are doing some work, so must be you have to consider or not other thought to be pop up in your mind. So right time right thought. So what you have to do, write down all the thought on a piece of paper means take a 4 size paper or any kind of paper, and whatever the thought, whatever the task, whatever your like desire goal, any kind of things even you want to do right now, even you have planned for like long day like 10 years back or 10 years ago. So now you just write down each and everything, whatever the bother, whatever the thought that is bothering you, you just write down each and everything. Like might be it be 100 tasks or 100 thoughts or like even 200 500. So each thought you just write down. Then what you have to do, do it means either you are going to complete within 2 minutes, so that is called the 2 minute technique. Someday we will discuss in elaborately. So either you are going to do it in just 2 minutes or in a like shorter span of time. If yes, then just complete it like calling someone. Now you are just thinking for a long time, month or year back, so I will call that friend. So it'll take hardly a few seconds to call him and just say hi hello. So now so this kind of work we are like planning for a long time. So you just if you are able to complete within short time of period, just complete it, delegate it. Means if you are not going to do right now, so there is some planning or some schedule thing is work, so you just maintain a diary. What you have just already write down all the thought, all the tasks you have to do, and maintain a diary according to do just to do your work day wise. And then you have to execute on the basis of context based. Context means like there are some work which are going to be done in your office, some at home, some at your study table, some at your phone, some at in your laptop. So the context means this is means where you are spending your time. If there some job to be done there, so you have to done there as well. So you just plan accordingly the context, so it's going to be like great. If it is not required or if you are not willing to do it, just discard it. Means you just delete from the your you have write down all the thought, so just scratch from there. So I hope you get some idea about the context management. Means whatever the work you just write down on the paper, means let the mind have to be like for creativity, not for the random thought. Now you are just going to market and you just forget the things and just bother whole the day. So this is the definitely going to hamper your focus and concentration as well. So take 30-day challenge. Second was 30 day means each every month you just take a 30-day challenge. So what you can do, you can just enroll for any course, you can like learn any skill, you can like whatever the pending task or you want to execute, so you can do that. Whatever your interest for like playing anything, guitar or something, you just learn there. 30 days enough. There are so many online courses, YouTube videos, and means the abundant thing to learn. Whatever you want to scope your like improve your caliber, improve your like getting promotion or something. So you just add value addition to your career, to your knowledge, and just try to learn a lot of things as much you can. So like you can take a challenge for your bodybuilding for 30 days, for 5 minutes walk every day, for some meditation for every day. Means any kind of little to a big task you just assign for as a challenge for 30 days, done one day by day. Like we have taken the 30-day challenge, so one day we have just come to the day 27. So rituals is what it means. You just connect with something, you have like the scared things which is you going to follow. Like there are so many examples like for the celebrity and other, they have the rituals. So what you can do, you just plan the whole day and just try to connect or try to anchor with some habit, so that you just lead to do that work, and that is going to help you. So we have some morning rituals like we have already discussed. Just take a glass of water and before just wake up, or just bed dressing. You just make your bed to feel good. So that will like making you the happy and as well as connecting with the other things. Night rituals you can do like just wash your feet or like any kind of activity like journaling or all this means so eventually it is become a habit and that is going to be like wonderful in your ahead of the success. So another thing you can just anchoring is an NLP technique where you just associate with something like whenever you are becoming nervous while doing the presentation or something. So like cross your finger or like some rubbing your hand with something. So any kind of things by which you just suggesting your mind to not you just making the feel happy and saying yeah it's okay. So this kind of things you can develop. So it's a very good thing. So you can develop the things. Checklist manifest. So what we have going to discuss here, there is very now a wonderful book, you can just read it. So for any kind of work like you are traveling and just we forget charger or any kind of thing in any every time. So what you have to do, any kind of work which is taking out like a regular work or you just have to plan. So you just plan in advance, make a checklist like you have a traveling. So whatever the necessary thing you must require during the traveling, so you make a list, you just keep it in a wallet or keep in your like whatever the suitcase or somewhere, or just paste it over a wall. So now while you are leaving the room while traveling, you just check it out either everything you have packed up or not. So like that while studying you can make a checklist and paste over your study desk. So likewise you can do the things and it will like work wonderful. So let not think the mind means you have to just assign all the things so that your mind become like more free and think like creativity and allow the ideas come. If the just mess up with the existing things or the like normal things, so how you can like assuming to be like some great idea coming to your mind. So build the trust means always we are not seeking to remember in your mind, but it is not going to happen as we have discussed means abundant of thoughts coming each and every day. So it's obvious to forget the some things right time, not the right thought like that. So you have to just make a piece of paper or like any diary or hard copy, you just write down whatever the pop up like a thought or any kind of the task, you just write down over any diary or somewhere means any hard thing so just it's like building a trust. So this is called the trust system. So build the trust so that you have write down somewhere, so you're going to be done means in coming day or whenever. So it's assuring your mind to like you just don't worry, I have just write down and we are going to plan and just executing the work. A Stranger's Secret. So this is a very like famous audio. So the Stranger's Secret by the Earl Nightingale. So you just make a habit to listen this, or you can just take a challenge to listening. This is a about 30-minute audio. So listen every day. It will like so many people recommend it. It's work wonderful. It's like the like very famous. So you just so if you don't have the like 30-minute time, so what you can do, just 2x the speed or like 3x the speed, you just try to listen or make into the habit. It also reduce the like time gap, so you just wasting some time or like you are not using an appropriate way, so just use it in appropriate way and just try once, so it like work magic. Another one is reframing. So reframing is what like now you are just having some thought or having some task or like now it has been not done or like now you are just thinking so it should be not like that. So you just reframe the things, like you just change the approach, you just change the perception, you change the thing in another way. Means like you have to go somewhere, I would just anyhow you unable to go there, so you just try to think whatever the best thing if you not go there, isn't it? Means just worrying about you haven't gone there, so in spite of whatever the good things by not going there. So this is the called reframing. Means you just reframe any situation, anything by which you are just bothering. Means if it is already done, so in spite of thinking about that, so just go ahead and try to reframe the things and change the thing. So we have already discussed who moved my cheese, isn't it? So it's better to move by the change. Next one is already we have discussed, means the things we have already discussed in the previous videos. So like plan your days from morning to like to-do list, morning ritual, have night rituals, anchoring, 5-second rule we have to discuss, reverse procrastination, rubber band technique, sequence rule, golden rule. So you just go through the videos and just revise once. 6-phase meditation. So it's a very wonderful meditation thing. So if you want to try the meditation, I recommend, so you just try for a few days and try it for 30 days, take as a challenge and just give a chance how it works. So it's like not long or like 30 minutes or like 1 hour you have to do. You just spend the 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or you can just 2x or 3x the speed, you can just complete within the 10 minutes. So this is a 6 part, like concentration, compassion and love, gratitude, freedom from negative charges, creative visualization, intention for the day, blessing. So I will give you the link of the description. I just simply search in the Google or YouTube 6-phase meditation, so you can get the original like how you can do the 6-phase meditation. It's work awesome. So I recommend do it for every morning. So it will like going to help you to like frame your day, like how the things are going, attaching with the previous occupied the things, so it will refresh your things, so it will like going to help a lot. So it's not like the meditation means you are doing some concentrating somewhere, it's like the visualization and it's like seeing yourself only. 30-second gratitude. So it's a very popular there is a technique developed by the Phil Boyjare. It's a TED talk. So you can just search over the internet, you will get the like video how you can do. So it's like called 3 by 3 method. So what you have to do, you have to just select three things. Okay, any three kind of things, like name a physical object like lamp or some any whatever the surrounding things, like I'm recording with a mobile, laptop, and earphone. So the three things, whatever the things, you just consider mobile, laptop, earphone, and you just repeat this name and take a like inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Means you just take the name laptop, then inhale, then exhale, and it repeat three times. Understood? So for each time you just repeat three times. So 3 by 3 technique it is called. It's work like wonderful whenever, like in any situation, like you are just standing over the stand train or anywhere, you just feeling like lack of the motivation or lack of you are feeling some stress or feeling not good. So you can do this. So it will like like of anchoring. It's suggesting the mind to like not to be in that mode. So come out the mode and just be the cheerful. So it's just for more detail, you just go to the video and watch the TEDx video. So it will like going to help you a lot. So that's it about this part. So I'm going to the discuss second part of this video tomorrow. So I hope you get some idea. So now always I'm saying, so you have to be like work on yourself. So means now how much you will work for yourself, so that much the like polishing yourself. So it's going to be like work wonderful. So that's all. Thank you so much.